Hello children, today we are going to make two types of Rakhi. Things required: any type of colored paper, ribbon, sequence or foam sheet or any glitter paper, whatever you have in your house, sticker, glue, mound board or soft board. You will cut it into a circular shape, and scissors. So let's start. We'll cut the papers into small squares of equal size. We need 12 to 13 squares. I'm using two types of colors. You can use three types of colors also, one type of colors also, and more than that also. So you have to make a cone. So put glue and stick like this. So you have to make cones with all the squared papers. You can use any size square paper, but it should be of the same size and small one, not so big one. So like this we are going to make cones with all the papers. So we have made all the cones. So we will use these cones, and we are going to make two types of Rakhi with these cones only. Now we'll take the small circular mound board. Now we'll make a dot in the middle of the circular mound board. Then we will take these cones and we are going to cut it. Now we will cut from the down part. Now we will cut all the cones. It's up to you how much you cut these cones. So you can use these small cones also for making another Rakhi, that I will show you later. First we are going to make Rakhi with these cones. Take that small mound board, put glue. Now we are going to stick one by one these cones in a circle shape. So I have fixed all the cones in a circle shape. Now to beautify our Rakhi, we will put in the middle any flower sequence if you have, or any type of sequence. If not, you can use foam sheet or any type of paper, colored paper, glitter paper. Make a circle
or star or triangle or square, any shape that you like or any design that you like. Cut it and paste on the center of the Rakhi.
Now we will take ribbon. We will put glue on the middle of the ribbon. And place Rakhi on the middle of the ribbon like this. And then we are going to put this flower sequence on the top of it. So your Rakhi is complete. Now I will show you another Rakhi. The cones that we cut, the small ones, we have used these cones and we have aligned it in the same way that we did with the bigger cones. So one small Rakhi and one big Rakhi are ready.